Stay tuned if you want to watch me turn this into this.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
From shoes to shirts to skirts to hats. You give her the work, she gon' send it right back. You know she do a thing with the DIY. And if you looking for the best, it's Miaira time.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
What up? I have had this for months now. I've had this graduation gown for months now. $9.99. I still got this sheer green window scarf a few months ago, and I think I got it for the same project, but I don't remember. Let me show you guys. Hold on. So, I'm picturing a two-piece. Let's just go figure this out, okay? So first, opening up this gown, and I'm gonna cut a strip of fabric from one of the front sides to make sure that it's long enough for the waist. Okay, so I have this. Just folding those two edges in towards the center and then ironing them to make sure that everything is nice and neat. All right, moving on. So now I'm cutting the waistband for the skirt portion. Time for the dress form. What I'm doing now is taking the sheer fabric and I'm folding it and bunching it up and then pinning it onto this strip. So let's see a little close up. Just taking it, folding it over and pinning it. I've got it all pinned and now I'm going to attach it to the dress form. I'm really excited about this, y'all. I'm gonna call it a night. Oh, your girl is tired. Last night, I finished the base part of the skirt. Do you like the dress so far? Okay, little guy. So I placed a rubber band around the end just to hold everything in place for now. This is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and sew it onto the back of this side of the panel. And then I'm gonna shorten these, add some loops and make it lace up. And I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna take part of this and wrap that bit around here. Let's do it. So this, yes, this is what we gonna do. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's coming together. I have these two pairs of shorts and I might just have to wear one of these bad boys underneath. I'm gonna sew this. You can't even see me. Okay. Wait, it looks really good. This looks really good. So that's what it's looking like so far. I'm so excited to try this on, but I'm gonna go ahead and sew all of these pieces together.
You want to do it, you want to be the ambassador behind your brand. And so that's why you can go on forever.
So I decided to actually go with the slit just to incorporate the grad gown a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add a strip of fabric kind of to the top. I just went ahead and added like little casing openings to each one of these panels, and then I cut the hemline off of the grad gown and I looped them through and just tied them. So that's what I did with the back. Oh, I mean, it doesn't look bad.
Life is gonna be so fun.
Okay, so I have these little clasps hooks and eyes. And I'm going to attach these onto the waistband of the skirt on the very ends, and this is how it's gonna stay up. And I'll just use a needle and thread. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. So I'm gonna steam this, okay? I'm gonna steam the skirt. I'm gonna try this bad boy on, okay? Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm seriously, I cannot believe how beautiful this outfit came out. I'm just so excited. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this dress and let me know what you want to see me make next. Hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.